Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make Chinese sausage stir fry. And here are the ingredients. Cantonese sausages, also known as Cheong. This is kailan, Chinese broccoli that is. Garlic, 1 red chili, and cooking wine from the best brand around. First, some preparations. I start with the Chinese broccoli, the kailan. Just slice this roughly. The red chili. 3 large cloves of garlic, which I'm gonna slice lengthwise. Last but not least, the Cantonese sausages. This is 250 grams, you guys. It's gonna be unbelievable. So I'm gonna slice them kind of thinly. These sausages look already amazing to me, and they are not even cooked yet. Just relaxing with a beer before I started cooking. This is Bia Saigon from Vietnam. Long time since I tasted this. Brings back memories. Nice. Very fresh beer. Good for tropical climate. Good for Asian food. In a hot wok, I put just a little bit of olive oil because the fat of the sausage will do most of the work. In goes the garlic, also the sausage. I just keep on stir frying. The cooking wine. Plus the chili and the kailan. Looks like almost ready. Let's try the sausage. Oh yeah. Now this is sweet and it's also savory. Quite sweet, really. Nice with the kailan. Chinese broccoli, a vegetable with a bite. Also with the garlic and the chili. Now that is good. Saigon is a quite dry beer, so that is a match. It's the contrasting flavors. That's what it's all about. Beautifully roasted garlic. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.